Hi everyone, I'm Carla from Carla Arlene Creations, and today I'm going to show you how to use your Cricut to make a stencil. I'm wanting to make some picks for some floral arrangements, and I want to be able to paint them with a Halloween decoration on them. First thing, you're going to take the piece of styrofoam you're wanting to use as your pick, and you're going to look at the tag and find out how big the piece is. This one is 4.8. So we're going to want to design our circle in Design Space for our stencil to be the same size. First, we're going to click on Cricut Design Space, and then we're going to go to Canvas, and we're going to add the circle shape. And we're going to change the color to a lighter color, and we're going to make this 4.8 in size. Then we're going to click on Images, and we're going to search for pumpkin faces, and let's use this one. You want one that doesn't have a lot of pieces cut out that you're not going to be able to put it into a stencil. So we're going to use this one, and we need to reduce the size of this pumpkin face so it will fit in our circle. And we're going to center this, and then we're going to go down to Combine and Subtract, and it'll take the face pieces out of our circle. Next, we're going to click on Make It. You can save the project. I'm not going to. And as you can see, the face is cut out of our circle. So we're going to click on Continue here. And then we're going to select acetate, and then we're going to put the piece of acetate on our stronghold cutting mat and use a brayer to adhere it to the mat and then insert it into the machine. Okay, we've cut out our stencil in Design Space, and we're going to peel the piece of protective covering off of the acetate. And then as you can see, my acetate stencil is a little smaller than the round I'm using it on, but it'll work fine. I'm going to start by painting the round an orange. Okay, next we're going to put our stencil on top. Try to center it some. And we're going to take a fresh paintbrush and we're going to paint some black paint in the cutouts of the stencil. I'd used jack-o'-lantern for the orange. I'm just going to use black. Now that I got that painted, close up my paint here, and I'm going to add some black sand. Just hold this down with my fingers like I was, and put the black sand over where the black paint went. I'm going to pick this up and dump. I'm going to take the stencil off. And as you can see, there is our face painted on. We're just going to sit this down and let it dry some. Okay, since this is pretty much dried, I'm going to put this skewer in. And then I have my glue gun heating up, and I'm going to add some ribbon around the outside. Like that, and I'm just going to glue it the entire way around. Like that. I'm going to cut the ribbon. I'm going to put a little bit of glue down here at the base, and I'm going to add my straw on. glue it in place. Wow, that's drying. You can add a bow to the bottom of your attachment. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in learning how to create your own stencil using acetate and your Cricut with Cricut Design Space. Please remember, when making a stencil, you do not want your image to have a lot of little pieces that get cut out, as then your stencil will lose some of its image that you're wanting to create. As you can see, I created a wreath attachment with the stencil I made. You can use stencils for a variety of craft projects. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.